Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. We got a great episode today. We're going to go out to the lake for Appies with Chappy by the lake. Second up, we're going to get some takeout. We're going to get a bit of Chinese food. But first up, we're going to give a little bit of a shout out. Shout out goes out to Cocktail Tony. My good buddy Cocktail Tony. Go check him out. He has some excellent original cocktails. That's Cocktail Tony. Give him a like, sub, and share. So I said we're going to get some Chinese food, so we're going to go check out Ginger Beef Peking House, which is close to my place. So Mookie and I are going to go pick it up and take it back to the Tiki Bar. I just ordered the dinner for two. We got some chicken fried rice, some wonton soup, some spring rolls, and then I had my choice of two entrees. Because it's called ginger beef, I decided to, why not get some ginger beef? And then I went with the old tried and true beef and broccoli. So coming up next, we'll check out what we got at the Ginger Beef Peking House, and then we're off to Appies with Chappy by the lake, so check it out. Mookie, you know, ginger beef was actually invented in Calgary. That's a fact. You can look it up, Mookie. Alright, so I'm back from the Ginger Beef Peking House. Got my spring rolls, beef and broccoli, wonton soup, and of course the ginger beef with some chicken fried rice. Looks pretty good. Chappy by the lake, I'm going to show you how to make authentic Italian bruschetta. Make sure you stay till the end of this video where I'm reunited with my little Chihuahua Mookie. First up, I'm going to make a drink. This is called an Aunt Agatha. Alright, I got my trusty bartender's guide. It says Aunt Agatha, 1 1/4 ounce of dark rum, 2 ounces of OJ, and 3 drops of bitters. So I have a nice short glass full of ice. And that's 1 1/4 ounce of dark rum. Whoa, that's a tall drink with a short glass. And it says 3 drops of bitters. And 2 ounces of OJ. We're just going to top it off with OJ. So that is a stiff Aunt Agatha. And I got a little orange wedge. And that is my Aunt Agatha. Coming up next, Appies with Chappy by the lake. Aloha! Welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. This is Badger substituting in for Mookie. Don't worry, Mookie will be back next week. So I have my authentic Italian bruschetta, and we're going to make a drink with that. I call this a spiked twisted tea. So I just have a twisted tea, which actually has alcohol, and we're going to amp it up. Alright, so I got a hurricane glass here. We'll just put a little ice in there. Alright, so we're going to do 1 ounce of vodka. And then we'll make it a little bit tropical. I have some Sailor Jerry's spiced rum. And we'll go 1 ounce of Sailor Jerry's spiced rum. And then this is the twisted tea part. So we'll fill that hurricane glass up with twisted tea, which already has 5% alcohol. And then we're just going to finish it off with a little bit of Italian lemon soda. And that is my spiked twisted tea to go with my authentic Italian bruschetta. Watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We have a new episode every Friday. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.